Experience the power of complete planning through business intelligence dashboards. Facility management companies are constantly looking for new ways to streamline growth. Whether you're looking to upgrade your ability to weather unexpected storms, improve the way you manage your workforce, increase your number of accounts, or just gain a better understanding of what drives your business, you need a plan to grow. That's where the power of Easy Insight comes in. Business intelligence can benefit every part of a facility management process, from factory floors to executive offices. Guesswork, institution, and gut feelings are being replaced by a data driven decision making process. Finding the time to slice and dice the data, however, is another story. What you need is a system that automatically creates easy to read dashboards and reports. Facility management companies are using Excel sheets for storing their data generated on daily basis. If they want to get any insight from their data, they have to churn million rows on Excel sheets. The needs of organizations are always changing. We deliver flexible business intelligence dashboards and services that adapt and scale with your business. We track, benchmark, and analyze the true cost and performance of your operations in real time. We extend capabilities with fully scalable managed services when your team is strapped. Create a 360-degree data profile of your building operations leveraging IoT like energy usage, occupancy sensors, and building access. For any facility management company to operate seamlessly, it is important that it should be able to close the complaints and grievances lodged by their clients on priority and immediate basis. For the company's smooth operation, Easy Insight has developed customized live dashboards. This facility dashboards is for the estate manager and facility company owners to keep a check on the sites where their facility team is working. Using this dashboard, one not only gets the information about complaint registered, but is also able to track complaint tickets summary on monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis. An intelligent system to sense the increase in complaint tickets to manage the resources accordingly. It also updates the allocation of resources as to which resource is currently working on which task and his pending tickets. Not only this, it automates allocation of tickets, free occupied visibility of resources, and automates the time of complaint lodged for the resources to be ready beforehand. It also gives a clear view of the job assigned load level. An intelligent system which sets priority of complaint-based location so that there is no loss of time. The smart system sets up goals in terms of revenue, time management, sales, and tracks grievances from the previous years for seamless operations. Take the first step in your growth journey today by talking with one of our experts or book a demo on www.easyinsights.in.